Flashcards are powerful, but are you using them the right way? With ErallMemory, you can study using passive recall, active recall, or a smart mix mode. Passive recall means reviewing both the question and answer together. It helps you recognize patterns, absorb information, and build understanding. Passive recall equals recognize plus review. Active recall is more intense. You see the question, try to recall the answer before revealing it. It strengthens memory by forcing your brain to retrieve. Active recall equals memory plus retention. Not sure which method to use? Mix mode combines both, giving you the flexibility to switch based on your focus and energy. Mix mode equals flexibility plus focus. With ErallMemory, you choose how to learn. It's learning that adapts to you. Download now and study smarter your way.